listening to the broadcast. Hi, Mary. How are you? Hello, Jimmy. I am fine. How are you? I'm fine, too. Great. Are you waiting for the bus, too? No, I just come to say hi. What are you listening to? I'm listening to the broadcast. About what? Broadcast about the weather. It will be colder tomorrow. Oh, really? I hate the cold. It makes me lazy. Me too. Sorry, I have to go. See you later. See ya. An exhibition. May I help you, sir? Yeah, sure. Can you show me around? My pleasure. Do you have any questions? Of course. Can you tell me what the exhibition is about? The exhibition is about the archaeological. Whoa, amazing. Yeah, in this exhibition we can see the findings of archaeological research. Can you tell me about the things kept here, like where these things were found and when? Yes, sir. These things were found a year ago in Africa. These things were used by people in the 18th century. Wow, it's great. What are you thinking about? James? James? Yes? What's wrong with you? I've called your name many times. I'm sorry. What are you thinking about? You look very serious. I am thinking about choosing a university. Are you hesitating between the two schools? Yes. What are your suggestions on how to decide which one to attend? Well, you have to know what your passion is, then compare the knowledge you will learn and the price of each school. Okay, I got it. Thank you so much. You're welcome. How many books do you have? Tom, what's up? Hi, Anna. Nothing much. I'm just hanging out. How are you? It's a good day. I'm feeling fine. Great. Let me guess. Did you go to the bookstore? How do you know? Because you are a nerd. Yes, I love reading books. So, how many books do you have? Well, over 200 books. Oh my god! Have you read them all yet? Yeah. So, which book do you like the most? The Harry Potter series. What's it about? It's a fantasy novel. It's about a magical world. Sounds interesting. I really recommend it. You can borrow my books if you want to. Thank you, Tom, but I don't think we have time for that. Do you like fruit? Tommy, do you like fruit? Yes, I like to eat fruit. Oh yeah? What fruit do you like? I like strawberries and bananas. And you? I like apples and oranges. What is your favorite kind of apple? Green apples are the best. I don't really like green apples that much. Why? Green apples are too sour for me. So, do you like red apples better? Yeah, right. A collection. What is your hobby?
Well, I like collecting stamps.
Cool. How do you collect your stamps?
Well, this must be done kind of regularly. Whenever a new kind of stamp is issued, I buy it immediately.
Whoa.
Sometimes I exchange my stamps with my friends.
How many stamps have you collected?
I have nearly 1,000 stamps.
Wow, a big collection.
Yeah, right.
How do you organize your collection?
I classify them according to the countries or to the categories. Animals, plants, flowers.
Great. What do you plan to do next?
I think I'll continue to make my collection richer and richer.
Seven. Social media. Hi, Olive. What are you doing?
I'm giving a post on Facebook.
I think you are always on Facebook.
Facebook is fun and brings many benefits.
Like what?
You know, social media like Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter help us connect with relatives and friends living in different parts of the world.
You are correct. Thanks to social media, can always stay in touch.
Yeah, right.
But we must also be cautious of what we post or comment on our social media.
I know.
And don't be too addicted to it. That can cause problems.
Yes, indeed.
It was nice chatting with you. Hi, Jason. It's great to see you again. Wow, it's great seeing you. How long has it been? It must be more than 6 months. So, what's going on? Not much. You? I had an interview today. How did your interview go? I think it went well. I don't know if I got the job yet, but they said they would call in a few days. Well, I'm sure you did great. Good luck. Well, thanks for being supportive. I appreciate it. Sure, no problem. Well, it was nice chatting with you. I have to go. See you later. See ya.
Buying a gift for someone. Can I help you, sir?
I need to buy a present.
Do you want to buy a present for your girlfriend?
No, I want to buy a present for my mother.
What is the occasion, sir?
I want to give her a present on her birthday. I want to make her happy.
We have so many things in our shop.
Do you have any recommendations?
We have makeup products and perfume.
That sounds nice. Show me the perfume.
Here you are. This is the best-selling perfume in our store.
That's perfect. I'll take it.
A useful website. Hello, we are doing a survey. Can you help me answer a few questions?
Of course.
Thank you. So, which website do you think is the most useful?
I think that YouTube is one of the most versatile and useful websites.
How often do you visit this website?
I visit the website frequently in a day.
Why do you choose to use it?
I think it is so interesting, useful, and different in the way that it shows the information.
Okay, so how do you find it useful?
I can entertain myself with movies, music, and funny videos. I can even learn lessons through teaching videos. I learned how to cook recently by watching YouTube.
That's great. Thank you for spending time with me.